Today, we'll learn how to reverse a string in Python in just a couple of minutes. Reversing a string in Python is really simple, and we can do it with slicing. Let's get started. Let's say we have a string that we want to reverse. Now, let's look at how the slice works, which allows us to reverse the string. What's happening here? The slice syntax start-stop step lets us select a substring or part of a list. The start is the starting index, stop is the ending index, and step is the increment we use to move through the string. When we use :1, we leave start and stop empty, meaning from start to end. But the important part is -1 for the step. This tells Python to move through the string in reverse, one character at a time, from the last to the first. As a result, the string is completely reversed. Simple yet powerful. Subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.